Guys, today we are making Alfredo chicken pasta. It's so delicious, so creamy, so velvety in texture, and it's amazing. It's just restaurant style. You will forget restaurant recipe and you will enjoy this recipe. You can make it at the comfort of your home. And let's see the ingredients. What all ingredients? You can put even any vegetable of your choice, but I have just put little capsicum. It's your choice if you want to leave it out. So let's get started. For that I have taken 500 grams of chicken. I'm going to season it with pepper, salt, red chili powder and some garlic ginger paste, and I'm going to marinate for few minutes and then I'm going to cook the chicken. The white sauce I have taken 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons flour, and I'm going to cook it for 4 to 5 seconds. Then I will add 1 cup cream, 1 cup milk and seasoning, pepper, salt and red chili flakes, and I'm going to let it simmer for few minutes, just few minutes. And if you need to put more milk, you can add some more milk. You have to add cheese, that is half cup of cheese, because you need a cheesy and creamy sauce. If you need to add more milk, you can to adjust the consistency of the sauce. As you know, the sauce has to be smooth and not very thick in consistency. It should be nice and smooth, like that. See, it is nice and smooth, velvety in the texture. So after that, I have cooked this pasta in water. You can cook any pasta of your choice. And I have also added the shredded chicken, what I had prepared. And I'm going to mix it in the sauce, well combined. Then I will also add in the noodles, the spaghetti inside it, the cooked spaghetti. And my pasta is absolutely ready. Share and subscribe if you enjoyed.